A normal-looking solar panel does not always mean there are no internal issues. The larger the solar plant, the more important inspection and maintenance become. Inspection is not only about finding abnormalities, but also about helping locate where the problems may be. Through image stitching and data organization, inspection results can extend from local details to larger plant areas. Plant-wide PL image stitching provides both a complete overview and clear local details. From inspection images to traceable deliverables. Ensuring every inspection result is supported by clear evidence. Making invisible problems visible earlier.